it's also lacking in terms of what is the wider picture here. We're still unclear from Jim McCallum, the Minister for Justice perspective, what is his long-term policy in terms of accommodation? Because we have a long-standing report, I think done by Catherine Day, former European Commission Secretary General, so on and so forth, senior ranking civil servant in the EU. She does a report, says build 6 big hubs around the country and accommodate people in those. Jim McCallum comes in and goes, well, I'm not doing that, and we haven't done it anyway over the last 5 or 6 years. But then the state goes off and buys City West, which is it's a big hub, and then presumably there is a plan to match that elsewhere. So the overall plan is just a bit lacking at the moment. What's the overarching vision here? Where do they see it going? What are the projections in terms of figures coming in? I mean, you had the Taoiseach saying, most of these people are coming in across the border. Okay, I mean, what are you going to do? So you're going to put up checkpoints and patrols at the border?
Been there before.
Yeah, are you going to have checks at sea and not at land? So,
God's Brexit flashbacks there.
Yeah, you're coming down from Newry to Dundalk and suddenly there's a road checkpoint. That's kind of a bit of nonsense, really, given what we've gone through over the last decade. So yeah, we're really not seeing what's the bigger picture here in terms of an overall plan, apart from coming out and saying we're getting tough on migration.